Isa sa maraming biyaya ng Diyos sa akin ay ang pagiging malusog at bihirang magkasakit. Subalit pagkatapos ng pandemic, nagkaroon ako ng sakit ng ulo. On and off, almost every day. It went on for several months despite regularly taking pain relievers. Until I met Dr. Harris Meyer. Isa siyang chiropractor. After having an x-ray of my spine, he discovered that I had a bad neck problem. Cut the story short, I enrolled in his program. On my first session, para akong nagdahilan lamang. Almost instantly, nawala ang sakit ng ulo ko. Eventually, halos din na sumasakit ng ulo ko. I'm still on regular therapy with him to correct my neck structure. I'm very thankful for Dr. Meyer that I started calling him Doc Cairo.
Rod, handa ka na ba sa adjustment mo?
Yes, Doc Cairo.
Okay nga, Rod.
Yes!